Colin Receiver here, and today I want to share some tips on how to kickstart your creativity. Stay tuned. You might remember that not long ago, I gave you a podcast about how you need downtime to let your brain work on creative problem solving. I hope you've been giving that a try. Sometimes there are moments when your brain just feels kind of mushy, and it's difficult to get your creative juices flowing. Stress from home or dental practice can contribute. Sometimes you're just overworked, but no matter what, most creativity is required to solve your problems. So I want to talk about creativity in that way. Here's a few tips that I found online about getting out of a creative rut. First, start by doing something else. Instead of trying to hit the problem head on, work on a smaller, unrelated project to start. Draw, work out a math problem, solve a crossword puzzle, something to get your mind out of the rut it's in. This might be doing something that requires a little physical work even, or something that requires a little thinking. Secondly, get inspired. Admit you just don't know everything. Ask what-if questions to overcome obstacles, and look in unexpected places for inspiration. It could be with your kids in a magazine, listening to music, taking a drive, or maybe a walk around the park. Third, think beyond the norm. Identify the things that absolutely must be the way they are. The list is probably very small. Then arrange all of the things that are flexible. If you're a visual person, cut images out of magazines or newspapers or print pictures off the internet to represent your ideas. Discard the most obvious answers that have gone over 1 million times. And what's left? 4, try these tips. Close your eyes and see the final outcome. What's it look like? Think about how someone else would see, solve, and resolve the problem. Finally, if all else has failed, reevaluate if you're solving the right problem, or if possibly you're trying to solve a symptom of the problem. Maybe the issue isn't how to add space to your office, but the real problem is how to accommodate more patients in a workday. Take a step back and decide if you've been thinking too narrowly about the problem from the beginning. Thanks for watching today's podcast. If you're ready to discover what my clients know about attracting patients online, schedule a patient attraction blueprint session with me. They're free to any serious dentist who wants to see what a system that can double your practice might look like. For more information, go to smartboxwebmarketing.com/blueprint. Have a great weekend and keep moving forward.